The World Cup is almost here. Whether you're decorating for a match party, gifting a fellow fan, or like me adding a miniature trophy to a dollhouse, I've got you covered. Today, I'm using a TOOCAA NOVA, a smart laser machine that essentially turns your home office into a complete creative workshop. It's sleek, beginner-friendly, and we are taking it from the box to the final whistle. Okay, let's dive in. When I first took the TOOCAA NOVA out of the box, I was honestly surprised by how sleek it is. It's designed with a smart home philosophy, so instead of messy wires and exposed parts, you get this clean, minimalistic look that blends right in with your high-end gadgets. It's compact enough for a home studio, but there is some serious tech under this lid. What I really love is that it doesn't need much assembly and it's incredibly easy to install. You just slide the laser module into place, secure it with the screws from the toolbox, and you're basically ready to go. Once the module is in, the first thing you'll notice is the integrated smart touchscreen. It's a 2.4-inch display that makes navigating settings or running projects offline really intuitive. To get started, you can connect the TOOCAA NOVA to your computer either via USB Type-C or over Wi-Fi, which gives you plenty of flexibility in how you set up your workspace. For the actual creative work, I'm using TOOCAA Studio. This is where the smart part really kicks in. It has built-in AI-powered creation tools, which are amazing for generating text-to-image designs or finding inspiration for any project. Now I'm going to import my World Cup designs and get everything ready for the first cut. It features a high-precision camera that handles the positioning for you, so you aren't just guessing where your design will land on the material. One of the best things about this machine is the variety of materials it can handle, everything from aluminium to acrylic. For this project, I'm also using 3mm color board to really make the designs pop. The workflow here is so clever. Each material comes with a specific card that you place inside the machine. The onboard camera reads a QR code on the card and automatically sets the perfect parameters for speed and power. It completely removes the guesswork, which is a huge relief when you're working with specialized materials. One thing that usually ruins laser project is a smoke buildup. TOOCAA uses a dual-channel exhaust system instead of a traditional honeycomb structure. This vents smoke more efficiently to keep the surface of your materials clean. No more nightmare cleanup or scorched edges on your final pieces. Whether you are starting a small business or just decorating for the big game, this machine makes it simple to express yourself. I've put the link in the description, and be sure to check out the TOOCAA Facebook community to see what other fans are building. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!